Everyone, it's Jules, and welcome back to my channel. I just found this end table, which I needed for my guest room, in the trash. It has a couple of dents in it. It has a lot of deep scratches over the top, but I am going to make it brand new. So with every project, I always use this sander deglosser. Basically, it takes the gloss off of the top so that you can paint right over your project. The top will definitely be sanded down, but I'm going to clean the rest of it with this sander deglosser. I am also going to be adding bling to the sides, and I'm going to be cleaning these little crevices on the bottom. I love the way it has this ornate look. On the bottom, we're cleaning it off and adding some diamonds to that. And we have no back for the table. So at the trash, there was a dresser that was in really bad shape. So I took the back off of that, and I'm going to cut that and make sure that I make a backing for this table. But I'm not going to add it on now. I will be waiting till the end because I'm going to paint it, and I also need to fix the drawers. I went ahead and measured and cut it, and I put it to the side. And guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I took out all the drawers and removed all the hardware. I added wood filler and sanded it down. I already had this paint in the house. I used it for my other two dressers. It's called grayish. We actually used it for the wall, and I love it so much that I decided to do a whole bedroom of furniture with it. I went in with the brush to get all the other crevices and gave it 3 coats. I did the first 2 coats, and then the third coat I decided to add glitter to it. If you like what you see so far, don't forget that like button. Pick up this Valspar glitter crystals from Lowe's. After that third coat, look at the beautiful sparkles that you get from the paint. It is still wet, but once it dries, all of the sparkles will come up to the top. I already had this crystal gem wrap on hand, and I decided to use that to embellish my table. And to make sure that my little strips of bling didn't come out from the legs, I painted over it with this high gloss acrylic paint so that they wouldn't lose their shine even though they have the paint over them. I didn't notice that when I sent for the knobs for the drawer, the actual knob had only 1 screw, and I needed the one with the 2, but I made do. I just drilled the hole in the center and I put it in, and the little plate that goes behind covered it perfectly. This is a quick look of what it looked like before, and this is the after. It is absolutely beautiful to think that I took that rundown table and made it look into this amazing table. I am so in love with these knobs. I bought enough so that I can put in the 2 dressers that I made before, or that I upgraded before. If you have not yet seen that video, I'm going to leave the link down below. And this is what the dressers look like. I have the tall one here in this bedroom, and I put the knobs on that, and this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. I am in love. And now it looks like a full set. I have the two dressers and I have the end table. Now my next thing is going to be to make a headboard for this bed. This is my granddaughter's room when they come and stay, and I want to make a beautiful tufted headboard. So that's going to be one of my next projects. Thank you so much for stopping by. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And please be safe, wear your mask, and wear your gloves when needed. Have a wonderful day, and stay blessed.